In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and install the add-on for statistical data analysis inside Google Sheets. We'll open up a new Google Sheet here, and we'll go to Add-ons, scroll down to Get Add-ons, and up in the search bar, type two letters, X and L, and the very first option that comes up for me is Excel Minor Analysis ToolPak. This is the statistical package that we want to add on in Google Sheets. Statistical analysis for Google Sheets, we'll click on it and click on Install. There are some permissions whenever you select an add-on for any Google product. They want to make sure that you know what you're selecting. A lot of these add-ons are different companies and people creating add-ons and products for use inside of Google. So this is one of those examples. It's going to ask for a lot of permissions for me to accept. And in order to complete the process, I am going to show you the entire gambit because I think it's important for you to know just how long this is. So choose an account. You want to select your account. It wants to access my account. That's fine. I'm going to allow it. And then it installs it. We've got an add-on that needs my permission, so I'll continue again, select my same account, click on allow, and I'm going to close out of this, and to see if it was added, I'll click on add-ons, and I see it here in my list, and also I have start. So if I want to do some analysis, some statistical analysis inside of Google Sheets, we click start. It tells me that it's working, and I've got lots of selections here. And if you're familiar with Excel and the Excel Analysis ToolPak, you'll see a lot of the same options here. We will primarily use this in our class for the single factor ANOVA, but you can see that it also works for other things for our class: correlation, descriptive statistics, histogram. And at this point, I have not used the histogram option in this ToolPak, but if it is like the Excel Analysis ToolPak, the word histogram is actually going to refer to the frequency distributions that we do, the table of data, not the actual drawing, the bar chart. So in our class, a histogram is the bar chart that is the visual representation of a frequency distribution. But in Excel, and I'm expecting the same thing here, that this histogram is really referring to that frequency distribution. But we'll try it out another time. We've got some other things: linear regression, a random number generator, rank and percentile, some sampling if we needed to sample some data. And we have four tests, 3 t-tests and a z-test, all of them coming from our chapter 9 on 2 populations. And so if we wanted to use one of these for examples, a lot of the same features here. If you were to open up Excel's Analysis ToolPak, you'll see very similar options. So it is a very nice add-on going between Google and Excel and managing both of them, that they are very similar. And that's it. And we'll talk about in subsequent lessons how to use this.